Good evening, and it's great to see you, viewers.
The very latest social media,
प्रोफेशनल टिकटॉकर
Ekta Gandhi,
who is a member
thousands of you. So well done, India.
I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white, I could be every color you like.
LBs ain't gold, na na na, gold, na na na, gold, na na, gold, na na, gold, remix, gold, na na na.
When I popped off, then you go gave me just a little bit of love.
Now left foot.
Give me just a little bit.
Right foot. Now left foot. Right foot. Now left foot. One hand. One hand. One hand. Two hands. Two hands. Two hands. Hit your rollie. Hit that rollie. Do your dance. Do your dance. Now lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it.
बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल के मेरी हमारी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Happy birthday, Cool.
Happy birthday, Ekta.
I love you. I love
Have a
you
great
so
day.
much.
Have a great day. Have a great year. Stay home. Stay safe. And if you've
And
not,
wait for me and Kabir. And
Yeah.
have a great year ahead. And
बोल अब क्या इतना बड़ा मैसेज बोल, क्या हो गया बोल.
मेरे दिमाग में ना तेरा गंदा सॉन्ग चल रहा है.
कौन सा?
Happy birthday, बार बार
ये
बुड्ढे
दिन
नहीं हो रहा.
आए,
एकता,
बार
avoid him.
बार ये दिल गाए.
Ekta, happy birthday. Have a great birthday. You're so lucky कि दुबई में सब खुल गया है. You can go to the malls. You can do shopping. You can spend money. And by the way, Aldo भी bankruptcy में हो गया, तो check the sales out there. And कल मत करना यार, पका मत.
अरे
And have a blast. Have a great birthday. Have a great birthday.
Enjoy,
Please
party
avoid this
hard,
song.
party
And
hard, enjoy.
Get drunk. Bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
Take care, bye.
See you soon.
And a horse. And a butterfly. And a mouse. You say happy. Say happy, ma. Happy birthday. કે દેખો જલ્દી. Say happy birthday, ma. અને એવુંના હેડ ક્યાં છે? હેડ એવાનું હેડ ક્યાં છે? અને નોઝ. eyes. And hands, Ivana hands can do. Ivan say moon, star. Say happy birthday, ma.
Kabir, do you know what is it today? Kabir, it's Ekta Masi's birthday. What do we say? Happy birthday to you, G. La, cake shake, head to फिर बुलाओ जी.
एकता मासी का बर्थडे है आज. कबीर, तुम्हारी प्यारी मासी. Kabir, wish Masi a very happy birthday. Have a great day. We'll see you all soon in Dubai. Yeah, and yes, I love you.
Say I love you, Masi.
Yeah, I love you. Yeah. Say I love you. Kabu, say I love you. Yeah. Kabu, give Kishi. Give Kishi to Masi. Kabu, give Kishi to Masi.
Kabir.
Kabir, you want to give these chocolates to Masi? What you can see behind? Acha.
Okay.
Kabu, give Kishi to Masi. Kabu.
Kabir. Good boy.
Thank you.
Have a great day, Masi.
Happy birthday.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, so here's to the sweetest sibling I know. Wish you a very happy birthday, Ekta. 2020 has turned out to be a milestone year. It's your 30th birthday. Yes, but don't worry, we are here to celebrate your 18th birthday with you having an added experience of 12 years. Sounds good? Yeah. So Ekta, I have always thought about you as this fairy tale character who believes that she can fill the world with sunshine, and that's true. You are smart and sassy, you are a go-getter, and I'm very proud of whatever you have achieved in your life. And don't be any different. Be fierce with the time and generous with the heart as you've always been. Whenever we meet, hang out and chat, you make me believe that you're maturing as beautifully as a wine. Yes, I wish you life full of success and never-ending happiness. And this coming decade, don't just count every day, but make every day count. Enjoy every moment. So go out there, set the Dubai streets alight tonight. Have a good day, have a good night, and wish you a very happy birthday once again. Love you. See you soon. Mwah. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Eku, wish you a very, very happy birthday. This birthday is going to be very special because as my birthday was like a lockdown birthday, your birthday is also going to be like that. And trust me, I had a great birthday, so are you. Also, the fact is that we are not going to spend a lot of money treating people and even people buying some gifts to us. So that's something which is good. I'm going to save up this money and so will you. And then we are going to go out for a nice vacation post October or September, whenever the lockdown opens up. You remember that the jump which we had to do, which had come in the February month and I couldn't do the jump. We'll do in Dubai post September, October. We'll get Kruti auntie and Ruchi and Nitil along with us. And we'll have fun. 30s is the new 20s, okay? And 40s is the new 10s. So rock it up, baby. Sure.
You are turning 20, right? Oh no, it's 30, right? Welcome to the 30s. Trust me, this is going to be one of the best years for you. I have a good hunch that you will face a lot of success, lots of luck and lots of love all around. So all the best.
Happy birthday, Eku from Women in Black. This is your favorite gin. And I think today I'm going to introduce Kruti also with this Gordon gin. And once everybody is asleep, we are going to have this. Maybe it will be 12 o'clock India time, but not Dubai time. But if we are awake 12 o'clock Dubai time, then we will call you and wish you. Otherwise, of course, we'll call you in the morning. You have an awesome birthday. Try and finish this whole bottle. Of course, the Yellowtail too, which you have bought. That's also one of my favorite. And if we do not open this bottle, we have Macallan. So we're going to open 2 Macallans together. Okay? Macallan we have. तो हम Macallan खोलेंगे, ठीक है? Bye.
Peekaboo, Ekumasi. How are you? This is the best that I could dress up for your birthday since it's your birthday. I never took so much efforts even for my birthday or any of the events. Okay, so that should imply how special you are and how special you've been. Ekta, you know, there'll be a lot of people coming up and giving you advices of how 30s will be and it'll be so exciting and it'll be so blah 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 blah. But all I want to tell you is that enjoy this phase. You've done us proud with your achievements. I am very, very jealous of where you are. Living independently, kicking everybody's asses, standing up on your own and doing so well for so many years, right? I think you've just taken the Gandhi women a step ahead. What we've done, you've just multiplied by 2 and proved everybody that boss, we rock, right? We are turning the clock behind. With the way we work, with the way we look, with the way we do everything. You know? So, leave the advices ahead, behind you. Look ahead for an amazing, amazing life. Enjoy your birthday and have fun. Agastya is trying to get into the frame, so I'll also get him here and try and wish you. We are people in black, wishing you many, many happy returns of the day, Ekta.